Welcome to Free Laptop Info.
Gaming has evolved significantly on mobile devices, demanding more power and better displays than ever before. Finding the best tablet for gaming requires balancing raw processing speed, refresh rates, and portability to ensure your favorite titles run buttery smooth every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Apple iPad Pro 11-inch M4. The iPad Pro 11-inch is a powerhouse that redefines mobile gaming through its cutting-edge M4 chip, which delivers desktop-class performance in a remarkably thin chassis. When you load graphics-intensive games, the 10-core GPU handles complex visuals without breaking a sweat, ensuring high frame rates and stunning detail. The star of the show is undoubtedly the Ultra Retina XDR display. Its ProMotion technology provides fluid, responsive movement that feels nearly instantaneous during competitive play. Apple Intelligence integration adds a modern touch, helping you manage your device effortlessly while keeping your personal data secure. Build quality is premium, as expected, featuring a sleek, lightweight design that makes extended gaming sessions comfortable. While the premium price point might be a deterrent for casual users, those who demand the absolute best experience will find the value undeniable. The iPadOS ecosystem continues to offer unparalleled app support, ensuring your library remains vast and up-to-date. Although the file system can feel restrictive compared to traditional computers, the sheer hardware capability makes it a top-tier choice for serious gamers who appreciate aesthetics and reliability. Whether you are playing fast-paced shooters or sprawling open-world adventures, this tablet handles every challenge with grace, power, and consistent, jaw-dropping visual fidelity.
Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra.
For gamers who crave an expansive, cinematic experience, this tablet offers an unrivaled 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. The massive screen real estate, paired with a 120Hz refresh rate, creates an incredibly immersive environment that makes every game world pop with vibrant colors and deep blacks. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus processor, it tears through demanding titles with ease, proving itself as a true beast for mobile entertainment. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 ensures that your online matches remain stable and lag-free, which is essential for competitive play. With an 11,600mm battery, you can enjoy long gaming marathons without constantly hunting for an outlet. While its sheer size makes it less portable than smaller rivals, the trade-off is a viewing experience that few other devices can match. The device also includes a suite of sensors that enhance gameplay mechanics and overall device interaction. Although it is a significant investment, the build quality and sheer performance make it perfect for power users who want a high-end, tablet-based gaming rig. It effectively turns your handheld device into a portable home theater, ensuring you never...
Number 3. Apple iPad Mini, 6th generation. Portability is the defining feature of this compact device, making it the perfect companion for gamers who are constantly on the move. Despite its smaller 8.3-inch liquid retina display, it packs a serious punch thanks to the A15 Bionic chip, which keeps games running fast and smooth. The screen's high color accuracy and low reflectivity ensure that your visuals look sharp, even when you are playing in brighter environments. Because it is so lightweight and easy to hold, you can play for hours without experiencing hand fatigue, which is a major advantage over larger tablets. The integration of USB-C and fast Wi-Fi
Provides modern connectivity options for quick downloads and seamless online play. While the storage options are somewhat limited, the device remains highly efficient for most mobile gaming needs. It is an excellent choice for those who value ergonomics and want a dedicated device that fits easily into a bag or jacket pocket. Even with its smaller form factor, the performance is remarkably consistent, proving that big power can indeed come in a smaller package for the dedicated mobile-first gamer seeking high-quality entertainment.
Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9.
The Galaxy Tab S9 strikes a perfect balance between robust hardware and everyday usability. Equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, it serves as a highly capable gaming machine that handles modern titles with impressive stability. The 11-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display is a highlight, offering brilliant colors and contrast that bring games to life, while the Vision Booster technology intelligently adjusts settings to maintain clarity in various lighting conditions. Durability is a standout aspect, as the device features an armor aluminum frame and an IP68 rating, protecting it against both water and dust. This makes it an ideal pick for gamers who might want to take their hobby outdoors or travel without constant worry. Although the screen size is more moderate, the bezel-less design makes it feel much larger during gameplay. The battery life is equally dependable, and the addition of super-fast charging means you can get back into the action quickly after a long session. For users who want a rugged yet stylish tablet that can transition from high-intensity gaming to daily tasks with ease, this remains a versatile and reliable choice for most enthusiasts.
Number 5. ASUS ROG Flow Z13. Designed specifically for the most demanding gamers, this 2-in-1 device bridges the gap between a tablet and a high-performance PC. It features the AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 processor, providing incredible speed that handles complex, modern titles with absolute ease. The 13-inch ROG Nebula display is truly exceptional, boasting a 180Hz refresh rate and a 3-millisecond response time that provides a competitive edge in fast-paced scenarios. With 32GB of RAM, multitasking and resource-heavy games run with perfect smoothness, ensuring no stuttering during critical gameplay moments. The inclusion of a 170-degree kickstand offers flexible viewing angles, allowing you to set up your gaming station anywhere. While the battery life is moderate for such a high-performance machine, its raw power makes it a clear favorite for those who prioritize frame rates over pure tablet simplicity. The integration of AI-assisted productivity tools further adds value, making it a great device for creators who also love to play. If you need desktop-level gaming performance in a portable, innovative form factor, this machine stands in a league of its own, delivering a premium and powerful experience for every dedicated gamer. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific gaming habits and preferred operating system. Whether you prioritize massive screen real estate, extreme portability, or desktop-level power, there is a device here to fit your lifestyle. Evaluate your budget, check your library needs, and select the best model today.